Home buying doesn't have to suck, but if you hire the wrong agent, it will. Most buyers just go with the first agent they meet and regret it. But I have a better way, a step-by-step strategic plan to find, vet, hire, and supervise the exact right agent for your unique situation. The first step to a happy outcome is hiring the right expert. Be smart and intentional. Let's discuss. I'm Tracy Thrower Conyers, longtime broker, attorney, and buyer advocate. I created Buyer Agent Game Plan to help buyers just like you take control of the agent hiring process. In this video, I'll share my core system so you can stop guessing and start buying. Here's what I see every day. Buyers assume hiring an agent is super easy. You meet someone nice, they offer to show you homes, and you're done, right? No. In fact, showing homes is just one tiny part of a complex buying process. Most agents just aren't equipped to represent you well. The sea of bad agents is real, and the consequences of choosing poorly are painful. You could very well overpay for your home. You could end up hating your home with a giant case of buyer's remorse. You could get trapped in a contract with a bad agent. You could lose bidding wars with bad advice from a bad agent. You could end up stuck or frustrated or both and never closing on a home. But here's the kicker. You are the one who controls this. But you need a process, not guesswork or secondhand advice from your neighbor who bought a house once 10 years ago. If you're ready to go right now, jump over to buyeragentgameplan.com and let's get started. Inside Buyer Agent Game Plan, I teach you where to look for great agents and where not to look, like social media. I teach you how to conduct efficient interviews and ask the right questions, including a list of suggested questions. I teach you how to compare agents apples to apples and why this is important. I teach you the traps and pitfalls hiding in the new buyer rep agreements, including a detailed walkthrough of one such agreement. I teach you how to supervise your agent, not micromanage, but to supervise, and how to replace that agent if needed, even deep into escrow. And there's much more over there, including gearing up to start your home buying journey and hiring your agent. Here's the truth. Better home buying experiences start with hiring the right agent. It's the first decision that shapes everything else. Your experience, your stress level, your bottom line. And what I've described so far is just the core framework of the program. The full system includes step-by-step guidance, checklists, worksheets, and expert tips. If a detailed blueprint appeals to you, I invite you to join me inside of Buyer Agent Game Plan. I created this program to give buyers just like you an edge, no matter where in the country you're buying or who you choose to hire ultimately. My system is unbiased and built from years of helping buyers succeed. Don't leave your home purchase to chance. If you want to hire smart and buy smart, start making your game plan now. Follow the link on your screen to get started with Buyer Agent Game Plan and start building your better home buying experience. I can't wait to meet you inside the program.